Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Turn the Corsa to ACC or on so the radio and menus are active. This powers the Bluetooth module. On your phone, open Bluetooth and make it discoverable. Many phones time out after a minute, so keep it visible now. Then, press Phone or Settings on the Corsa's display to access Bluetooth pairing. You do this early because both units must be actively searching at the same time for a successful handshake. Start the car menu while the phone is discoverable. Once the Corsa is searching, select Add Device or search for devices from the car menu. The system will list nearby Bluetooth names. When you see your phone's name, pick it. The unit and your phone display a passkey. Compare them and confirm on both sides to authenticate. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. After confirmation, grant permissions on the phone for contacts and media if you want hands-free calling and audio streaming. Make sure to accept any prompts that request access to ensure full functionality. You finish by verifying audio routing. Place a quick test call and play a song to confirm calls go to the car and media streams over Bluetooth. If something goes wrong, restart both your phone and the Corsa's infotainment. Delete any stale pairings on both devices, then retry pairing. This clears cached errors. Also check for phone OS or car infotainment updates, as incompatibilities are often resolved by patches. If persistent issues remain, try pairing a different phone to isolate whether the problem is the car or your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.